I gifted my girlfriend in La Vega my Revlon hairbrush. She was like, oh my God. I was like, you like it? She's like, yes. I was like, you want it? She's like, really? I was like, yeah, go ahead, you know. So I ordered another one and I just got it today. You guys know I love this hairbrush. Ordené otro porque el que tenía se lo regalé a mi amiga. And this one's brand new. Este está nuevecito de paquete. Hold on. This one, I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. It's amazing. It's just amazing. I'll show you guys. Les muestro ahorita. No. Still have jet lag. A little bit. Still lagging. Still lagging. Otra cosa que me gusta es que tiene una larga cuerda. I love that it has very long string, you know? Hold on. You can shake and bake. Oh yeah, baby.
You can make the chicken bake.
Paulie, come plug this in for me. I can't bend down like he can. He can. I can't bend down like him. Plug that in for me, please, Paulie. We're going to do a demonstration of this wonderful product by Revlon. It's the best. Paulie can bend. Yo no me puedo agachar como él. Can't do it like he can. Thank you. Miren. I love it, por eso es que me encanta. I love it. Me encanta, me fascina. And I got it for $34. Whoa.